Hey everyone, welcome back to IHMN550 Research Methods. And I just wanted to give you kind of a brief introduction to the first week, sorts of things that we're going to be talking about, what to expect, and where we go from here. So, week number one, you've got your reading and things like that. And I guess as a very general comment, it's important for you guys to go through that reading, make sure you've understood it, but think about it. And one of the things I always like to stress, especially about any of these sort of research papers and that, is that just because they're published doesn't mean that they're any more valid necessarily than a lot of other things that you may read. So don't immediately assume that a published paper is necessarily, of a higher standard. Always read them with a bit of a critical eye, okay? Now, what we're kind of focusing on with this course, and especially, with this first week, is we're looking at real-world research. So thinking about, what does it mean to actually do research out of the laboratory in the real world? Lots of things you may want to do or may think you should do, but then you hit that reality of, what am I going to do actually out there? And thinking about, okay, I need to adapt while still maintaining this sort of scientific rigor. And I guess that's one of the things that we're really trying to stress with this particular course, and just getting you started with that this week. A few other things to remember. Don't forget, always do those discussion points, especially things like, why are you taking this course? What are you interested in? What are you hoping to accomplish? What are some of your ideas? Things like that. So, just really want you guys to actively participate and contribute to the course. Other things to think about: politely, but feel free to disagree with people. And just as a quick side point, I am actually sitting on the shore right near the Royal Roads campus, and what you keep hearing are all of those guys there. But I quite enjoy coming down here sometimes. It gives me a chance to think, to relax, occasionally have a quick nap. Anyways, just a nice place to relax and get away and think about the different things. With your research, start thinking now about what sorts of research you guys are wanting to do, where you want to go with your research, what you're planning to actually do with it. And that's always an important thing. There's lots of things you can think about and, think are really neat, interesting, but also think about where you're going to go with this research. What's it going to get you? Where are you going to take it? Who is going to find it useful? So all those sort of practical things that are important as well. Anyways, just wanted to introduce you to the first week, and I look forward to seeing your discussion points. All right, take it easy.